You know what, guys? I'm gonna pray for me to get rich. But for now, I don't think I'm going to send any more barrels to Jamaica. It is very expensive to do so. Trust me. You know, cheap food are foreign, not cheap again. It's an arm and a leg. When you pull out your credit card and have to pay for this, boy, your belly hurt you. When you try to pack 2 bags and a barrel with food and clothes, your belly hurt you.
I have to go, mommy. I have a reservation. Come on.
Like, it's a video, right?
Yes.
Put it down. Down in that box. Hello, don't play with me.
Hi guys, welcome to Donna's house.
Hello. Me never sell your on TikTok. Come here.
This is Donna's kitchen.
Tell me done do what me I do. One next bag. Unbelievable.
Donna is shipping a barrel to foreign, to
it.
yard. You can't mute it out. Stop, man. Mommy, you can't live.
Yo, that is it. Don't pop barrel and box out here in the night, yeah. Ship them off a yard, yeah.